Welcome back to the Drivepedia, where luxury meets performance on wheels. Today, we're exploring something that truly redefines what it means to travel in style, the Mercedes-Benz Luxury RV. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling palace designed for those who demand the finest comforts wherever the road takes them. From its breathtaking design to its world-class performance and impeccable interior, the Mercedes-Benz Luxury RV stands as the ultimate fusion of engineering and elegance. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The Mercedes-Benz Luxury RV commands attention from the moment it appears on the road. Its design language draws heavily from the brand's premium lineup, featuring smooth, flowing lines, aerodynamic contours, and an iconic front grille crown with the three-pointed star. The LED headlamps are not just bright but intelligent, adapting automatically to lighting conditions and curves. The bodywork balances form and function. Every curve has been sculpted to reduce drag and improve efficiency. Chrome accents highlight the door trims and window surrounds, while sleek alloy wheels complete the elegant stance. The large panoramic windows not only enhance the exterior's modern look but also fill the interior with natural light. It's clear Mercedes has poured its signature design philosophy into every inch, ensuring this RV doesn't just look luxurious, it looks undeniably like a Mercedes-Benz. Interior. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into a space that rivals high-end penthouses. The interior of the Mercedes-Benz Luxury RV is a masterclass in craftsmanship and innovation. Premium materials are used throughout: Napa leather upholstery, real wood veneers, brushed aluminum finishes, and ambient lighting that can be customized to your mood. The cabin feels expansive, offering plenty of room to stretch, relax, and live. The driver's area features a digital cockpit inspired by Mercedes' flagship sedans, with dual widescreen displays, touch-sensitive controls, and voice command integration. Everything feels intuitive and refined, perfectly blending technology and comfort. Performance. Moving further in, the living area showcases a full lounge setup with plush seating that can convert into sleeping arrangements at the touch of a button. There's a fully equipped kitchenette with top-tier appliances, an induction cooktop, refrigerator, microwave, and even a built-in espresso machine. The bathroom rivals those found in boutique hotels, offering a full shower, high-quality fixtures, and a spa-inspired design. In the rear, you'll find a private suite-style bedroom with a queen or king-size bed, soft lighting, and integrated storage solutions. Even the climate system is intelligent, maintaining perfect comfort through multiple zones. Mercedes-Benz has truly designed this space to be lived in, not just traveled in. But luxury means nothing without performance, and Mercedes has not compromised. Under the hood, the luxury RV is powered by a turbo diesel V6 engine paired with the brand's legendary 9G-tronic automatic transmission. It delivers smooth, effortless power, capable of handling highways, mountain roads, and long-distance cruising with ease. The chassis, built on the reliable Mercedes Sprinter platform, provides stability and excellent driving dynamics. It's equipped with advanced safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, active brake assist, and a 360-degree camera system, making driving a vehicle of this size surprisingly easy and secure. Whether you're navigating city streets or open highways, the Mercedes-Benz Luxury RV drives with the grace and confidence of a premium SUV. Fuel efficiency has also been optimized, with Mercedes engineers ensuring that, despite its size, the RV delivers respectable mileage for its class. Some configurations may even include hybrid or all-electric options in the near future, aligning with Mercedes-Benz's vision of sustainable luxury travel. Now, let's talk about the expected price. As with all things Mercedes-Benz, this level of sophistication doesn't come cheap. Depending on the configuration, size, and optional features, the Mercedes-Benz Luxury RV is expected to start around $250,000 and can climb to over $500,000 for high-end custom versions. But for those who can afford it, this isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, a statement, and a lifestyle. In the end, the Mercedes-Benz Luxury RV isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about transforming every journey into a 5-star experience. With its elegant exterior, lavish interior, powerful performance, and unmistakable Mercedes quality, it's the pinnacle of luxury travel on wheels. Whether for long cross-country adventures or short weekend getaways, this is the kind of RV that turns the open road into pure indulgence.